to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a new box to my channel today, and it is the short story box for short people. So yeah, let's do it. Short story, if I recall. I really should have the specifics with me. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, by the way. We're gonna open her up. Let's see. How do we open her up? Oh, she's got a sticker right there. Short story, I think is a $20 styling fee per box. I'll leave a description down below. They send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. Looks like it's USPS. And they send an invoice. Oh. Okay, here's a note. They send you a measuring tape. That's really cool. Because they want you to put like your bust, waist, like all that measurements in there. They send you a measuring tape. That's so sweet. Dear Rachel, welcome to Short Story. I am Allison, your petite stylist. I am so excited to start this petite styling journey with you. Let's roll right into the fun and start things off with these petite friendly Aviana flared jeans. She doesn't know. I'm gonna tell her I don't like flared jeans. Oh, and there's pictures of everything she sent. I don't like flared jeans, PTSD. They offer a flattering fit and a high rise just like you prefer. They do run small, so I did size up. When wanting a more casual everyday option, grab this Karen striped tee to pair with the jeans. And if you want a fun date night look, the Tatum printed blouse will be your go-to. Flowy and fun, this beautiful kimono maxi dress can be dressed up or down. For an upcoming occasion, pair this with some nude heels and your favorite jewelry for some shine. How do you like the style of the dress? What did you think of the jeans? I would love for you to share your thoughts with me. All the things you loved and even the things you didn't. I can't wait to see what you think, Rachel. Have so much fun with your first short story try-on. XOXO Allison. Thanks, Allison. And then on the back is the prices. Okay. And there's a referral. I'll leave my referral link down below. Got a petite friend, earned $25 off your next box. So I think when you use my referral link, you get your styling fee waived, which is, I did that with someone's on YouTube. I think, did I use Jill's? Just what Jill wears? I can't remember who I used. And then yeah, so my styling fee was waived. So that's cool. So I got that there. And let's see our bundle. And then your styling fee does go towards what you keep. Here's our bundle. She's short. All right, let's rip her open. And I think it did say too in the description that you get like 5 to 7 items. So I just got 5 this time. She's cute. If anything else, it's a cute t-shirt, okay? I feel like I'm shrinking. Am I shrinking? She's really pretty color. Short Story by Hayes. And it's an extra large petite. So I think they said petite was like 5'4" and below. I am 5'4". So look at her in her minty glory. She's pretty cute and stretchy and soft. She's really soft. That's really cute. Here is the maxi dress. Kimono style maxi dress. She does have a zipper. She's kind of cute. Oh. We'll see how that is. I'm trying to figure out how the skirt is right now, but she's a really pretty color. She kind of looks like a bridesmaid's dress, to be honest. But she's really soft and silky. And here is, oh, who is that by? Grade and Gather. And an extra large petite. And this is the halter top, which I'll have to change into a different bra for. But that's kind of cute. That's the neck. I don't have anything like it, that's for sure. And the sleeveless. Pretty pattern with the black and the pink and orange and yellow and blue floral. Oh no. Oh no. At least these ones are skinny. She sent me some 1822 denim, butter denim, high-rise ankle skinny, but they're white. I have a black dog. That's not gonna fly, but they're very stretchy. I've never had white jeans just for that reason. And so these ones must be the flare. She did say she sized up in these. Okay, they are definitely wide leg, but they're not super flary like I feared. But they're kind of stretchy. It's called the Fine Print. And the denim, the wash of the denim is nice. All right, let's try things on. Okay, so not not great. I think this is just cut really awkwardly. Like, for the material that it is, it's just not cut very well because it doesn't, it looks so weird. It looks so strange. I have a very short neck. So I think that doesn't help things. So like maybe if I tucked that in, that's a little better. That looks a little better than having it up like this. And then these are just not cut right. I think if it were like that, it'd be better. Otherwise, it's really cute material. It's not a cute material. It's a cute pattern. It's a nice idea. It's not executed very well. I can't not have a neck. I have a short neck. So I'll put that all in my feedback for her. The jeans, they're okay. Even like sizing up in them, they're a little snug, and then they have that flare at the bottom. At least the flare does not touch the ground, which is nice, but it's just not my style, which that's what these styling services are for. You tell them what your style is. So, you know, it's all about feedback. So I will let her know. This is cut very strangely. I don't get it. Okay, let's try one more. Not a fan of white jeans. The mess factor alone, but then they're see-through. They're just, you can see every like lump and bump. You can probably see my gray underpants. They're just see-through. So let's focus on the shirt. T-shirt's cute. Ignore the pants. Very tuckable. Very kind of like 70s-ish, I feel like. I think it's a cute t-shirt. I like how it's a solid color right here. And on the cuffs, kind of match. I think it's fun color. I just don't even want you to look at the pants. They're white jeans. They're just not gonna fit well. I think this t-shirt's cute. It's cute. It's gonna be cute for fall too, I think, with like a cardigan over it. It's kind of adorable. And it's really soft. So if nothing else, this is a winner. So I think this one's probably gonna stay with me, providing it's not very expensive. I set my prices to try to be like 50 or below. So they do ask like your price preference. So I think this shirt's cute. Okay. This dress is pretty cute. I think for like a fall wedding that you were going to as a guest or something, it'd be really nice. It has like a nice thick band here. To be quite honest, I just pulled a muscle in my back trying to zip it up. So like even just going like this right now hurts really bad. So it's not zipped all the way up. Fudge. It hurts. Okay, so like with it zipped all the way up, it would look like that, which is really cute. Like I think if you were, yeah, it will zip. I just can't. I just pulled a muscle, but it will. I can't. It will zip up, but I can't move my arm that way. Let me. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna have to take Tylenol or something now. And it has, oh my god, it has it on both sides. So it has slits on both sides, which is kind of sexy. So I think if you were like, if it was fall time, which it might be by the time I post this, but it's August as I'm filming it, and you had a wedding to go to, this would be really cute, I think. It's a really nice color as well. But maybe have a friend zip it up for you. So you, see, it hurts doing that. So you don't pull a muscle. But it's really cute. And it's very silky, satiny feeling. Super cute. All right, let's go over prices. Prices. I swear, on my back. It's like this muscle right over here is all jacked now. Thanks, short story. Just kidding, it's not your fault. And it's kind of cute. It has like a little description of each piece in the note. So that's kind of cute. It hurts, you guys. The Karen striped contrast tee in mint ivory, $44 for this tee. I already have $20 invested in the box. No, I don't. My styling fee was waived. So I don't. So I don't have to keep anything this box. So this is kind of like a good test, like a nice little taste test without having to buy anything. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, if you use my referral link, then you would get your styling fee waived as well, I believe. So it's like a free test. If I did have the $20 styling fee, I would apply it to this and then I'd pay $24 more. I did like this, but I don't know if I like it for $44. The Aviana Flare Jeans by The Fine Print, $68. The Tatum Printed Tie Neck Blouse. It wasn't a tie neck, it was a button neck. $48. And the 28-inch butter denim, 1822 denim in white, $49. And the kimono sleeve maxi dress by Grade & Gather in ruby, $68. So the whole box is $277. I don't know if they do a discount off if you keep anything. It doesn't say, so I'm guessing no. But hey, not a bad first box if I didn't injure myself. And if I had a fall wedding to go to, maybe I would have kept that dress because it's really nice. It was really nice material. But it hurts. It hurts. It hurts. So, and it's really cool that they sent you a little measuring tape too, you know. It's kind of neat. And it has like all the different measurements there. It's kind of cool. So maybe I'll do that to help them with the next box. So yeah. Don't know if I'm keeping anything. I don't think I'm going to this time, but it was a good first box to try it out and see how things fit. Lengthwise, everything was good, except for that weird halter top, but I don't think that's Short Story's fault. It's the maker's fault for not realizing how women are cut. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of unboxings. If you want to try Short Story, I'll leave the referral link below. There's all my other referral links too. I'm gonna go take some ibuprofen and I will see you guys next time.